This is Parashat Vaera. In Parashat Vaera, we find Arba Lishonei Geula, 4 languages of redemption, of redeeming the Israel. Our Baruch tells Moshe Rabbeinu, go alachem emor in Israel. Go and tell Israel, Ani Hashem, Ani Hashem. V'oseti etchem, I'll take you out of Mitzrayim. That's one lashon. From the Persian Jews, that's the first lashon of Geula. From the Persian Jews, I said you. I rescue you from death, slavery. That's the second procedure. I redeem you and I take you as a nation. And Moshe Rabbeinu goes and tells the Israel, and Torah tells us, they didn't listen to Moshe Rabbeinu because of the shortness of the breath and work that was hard. Very interesting. Torah tells us people are in suffering very badly, very tragic. What's happening to them? They are torturing them, and you come and give the best offer to them, best offer in the world. In the humanity, we don't have any contract, any offer greater than that. It's the greatest offer that human beings could receive. Our Torah says, "For Lishon of Geula," and here we are. Torah is telling us when people are under pressure, they would not accept it because the Ruach Ma'avodah Kosher. Therefore, you make the best offer in the world, and people are under pressure, they will not accept it. You put pressure at home, you make the best offer, your wife doesn't accept it. Children are under pressure, you make the best offer, they don't accept it. So it's just a very important lesson in life that once people are under pressure, nothing works. Nothing works. Even best offer doesn't work. Therefore, there's no remedy. Therefore, remedy of pressure is we have to take our people out of pressure. That's the only remedy. There's no other remedy. And we see here all of the exodus coming out of Mitzrayim changed. I'm sure who told the Israel we have to be self-motivated to come out. The Israel are not motivated because of the pressure, and because of that, Moshe Rabbeinu goes and tells Paro to take them out. Now it's a different type of exodus. It's a different type of Mitzrayim. This represents that the self-motivation of the nation to come out is gone. It's not anymore there. Now we are dealing with the Mitzrayim. Moshe Rabbeinu goes to Paro, and there is Paro to send them out against their will. You have to send them out. Now, the problem is that the Midrash over here, if you read the Midrash says they didn't listen to Moshe Rabbeinu because they were adukin ba'avodah zarah. They were still attached to Avodah Zarah. They were attached to Avodah Zarah. Interesting. Midrash comes along and says they didn't accept the best offer. Why? Because they still had some type of attachment to Avodah Zarah that they were watching many years in Israel that Egyptians were worshipping, and that had some impact on them, and still adukin ba. They were involved with it, and that's why they couldn't accept the best offer. Now the question is, how does it work? Torah tells us the reason is because of the pressure, because the Ruach Ma'avodah Kosher, because of the shortness of the breath and hard work. Midrash tells us it was because of Avodah Zarah, because of the idol worshiping. Adukin Avodah Zarah. But see, the point is like this. There is a diagnosis here, internal diagnosis that Torah is making. Midrash is telling you what's on surface. On surface, they are not doing it because Adukin Avodah Zarah. They were in touch with Avodah Zarah. But the Torah is telling us how come they couldn't depart themselves from Avodah Zarah. How could they didn't depart, say goodbye to Avodah Zarah, to elevate themselves from Avodah Zarah? Do you know what was the cause that they couldn't elevate themselves, to take themselves out of Avodah Zarah? Because of the pressure. Torah is teaching us enormous lesson in life that the pressure is worse than Avodah Zarah. Here, Torah is telling us they were worshipping Avodah Zarah. They couldn't depart themselves from Avodah Zarah. They couldn't reject Avodah Zarah because of the pressure of life. What pressure does to a person? Imagine somebody goes home, Chas v'shalom, finds Egel, finds the idol. Finds idol at home. His blood would pour. What? Idol in my house is impossible. Let's get rid of it. Somebody goes home and he sees this pressure at home. I will say, it's normal. Everybody has pressure. Pressure, with life without pressure is impossible. To some extent, it's true, but we have to understand how to deal with it. You will see, we have a expression says, little by little comes a great thing. Little bit pressure here, little bit pressure there, little bit, it breaks people, it destroys them, takes them out of the humanity, takes them out of what they are supposed to do. The purpose that we were created for. They're going to lose it. They're going to break down. Therefore, Torah is giving us a perspective. How should we look at pressure in life? Pressure is the worse than an idol. Just like idol destroys the person, pressure destroys people. Therefore, Torah is teaching us first notion of Geula is to be Goel. The Geula, the foundation of the Geula is to remove pressure. Once we remove the pressure, then we could make a building. But if we make a building, no matter how magnificent the building is, on pressure, you are making building sand. The building would collapse, everything would collapse. Therefore, from now on, we look at pressure. Now, how should we get pressure like an idea and deal with it? Now, what should we do? There are no remedies for pressure. First of all, we have to see what the cause of pressure. We have to have a budget to remove any pressure. Any pressure. Your pressure at home, get rid of it as soon as possible. Anything, any small pressure that you could buy, no matter how much you pay to buy a pressure, you buy it cheap. Because the impact of the pressure at home is very expensive. You don't want to pay the price. The price is endless, and the price is enormous. Therefore, we learn from the Torah such an important lesson to get rid of pressure at home, to make a harmonious home. And that's the way to have all of the Prophet.